This lesson is about function notation. So our objective is that we can use function notation. Just a reminder, a function is a relation where for every x, there's paired with it exactly one y. So you'll never see an x give you two different y's. It's like you have an input, you put it into some rule or pairing, and you get an output, and you always can predict what that output is because that input is only paired with one output every time. So it's called a function. So as an example, this is a rule. So if I have f of x equals x squared plus 3x minus 4, that function, the rule is to find your y, you put in the number into x squared plus 3x minus 4. So it's like thinking of y equals, only we can use a shorthand because this is saying, instead of saying y equals x squared plus 3x minus 4, find y when x equals negative 3, this is just a shorthand way of saying, put negative 3 into the function as the x, find the y. So let's do that. So we get this equal to, we put it in, we get negative 3 squared plus 3 times negative 3 minus 4. So negative 3 squared is 9 plus negative 9 minus 4. That gives me a negative 4. So my pairing is negative 3 gets paired with negative 4 as my ordered pair. So in this case, what we're putting in as the input, we're putting in for the rule is an expression. Whatever is in here, that's what goes into x into the function. So what I like to do is I like to take this and take the function, just take out where there's an x. Every place there's an x, put a parentheses. That's the input spot where we put 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1 instead of just a number becomes the input. Let's see what we get out as the output. So when we square this, we get 4x squared plus, when we multiply these together, we get plus 4x plus 1. If you want to take a moment and multiply these two out, double distribute, you'll get 4x squared plus 4x plus 1. Next, we distribute through the 3 here. We get 6x plus 3, and then minus 4. Now let's combine like terms. We get 4x squared plus 4x plus 6x is plus 10x, plus 1 plus 3 is 4, minus 4 is gone as 0. So our output for this is 4x squared plus 10x is my output for that. So when we do function notation, whatever is inside, that's what gets put in for the x in the rule. Even if it's an expression with another variable in it, you put it in for the x spot, simplify, and you have your output.